banana bread or more banana bread. I can't decide. Moist, delicious, extremely easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Hey beautiful people, and you are specially welcome back to the Nikki Olori Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
Look, if you have bananas that are ready to be thrown out, just use them for banana bread instead. Okay? Yeah, actually, all the bananas here are very ripe, but I got one of them from the freezer. I think I saved it for a smoothie or something, but I completely forgot about it. And when I opened the freezer, I saw that, I was like, oh, okay, I could use this and add it to my other ripe banana that wasn't in the freezer. Why you need very ripe bananas for banana bread, because I'm sure many people will be asking why it's needed, is because one, they're very easy. When they get ripe, they get very easy to mash up, and two, as they ripen, their starch turns to sugar, so it makes them much sweeter. If you use a banana that isn't as ripe, it could be hard to mash and it won't be as sweet as if you use a very ripe banana. I think do you get that? I hope you get that. Okay. Yeah, so enjoy the video. It's actually very simple, and I'll just chip in when I need to. So add the flour. The main goal is to not overmix, because we do not want a stiff banana bread. We want it to be as moist as we can. So here I'm just mixing it to the barest minimum, trying to just get everything incorporated. Once you see that everything is incorporated, stop mixing. Release the whisk. Okay. So this is a little hack for you guys. If you want your parchment paper to stick well, add butter. Butter your pan. Trust me, it will save you a whole lot of time, and your dish or whatever you're baking will come out easily. So easy. Trust me, try it out. Okay. So I tried something that I've never seen any person try before, and that is top my banana bread with peanuts. And the peanuts actually added a really nice roasty feel to the banana bread, which I loved. So if you guys want to add any nuts, you can try peanuts. Then I added cinnamon sugar, which really elevated the dish. What you can do to your second batch of banana bread while the first one is baking is to wrap it in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for the main time till it's baking time. That will keep it fresh till it's on time to bake. Yeah. I'm excited. Okay, now the baking is done, and now the beauties are, they've been brought out to, for you to behold them. Oh my god, so beautiful. They ended up being so good, like literally 10 out of a 10. Okay, make this for, a group of friends, whatever, your family, and just watch their faces light up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please watch my other videos. Give them a thumbs up as well. Catch you again in the next video. Bye.